how to create. Welcome to your first ec2 video. Today we'll go over how to create an Amazon instance, Amazon ec2 instance. So basically, that's what you need to have on your computer before you can install Oracle. So the first thing you do is you go to your any browser that you use. You type in Amazon Web Services, and then you click on the very first link, aws.amazon.com. I already have mine open, so I'll just show it to you guys. So when you get to the page, it's gonna ask you. It's gonna show you the Amazon welcome page, where basically after you go to create your account, you receive you'll be able to basically have a username and password that you can use to log into your account. As you see, I already have I have my credentials already saved on the computer. So what I do is I'm just going to click on sign in using our secure server, and when you sign in, you go to the left part of the screen. You go to the link that says ec2. That's where the instances are, and then you see there's a blue button, the launch instance button. That's the button that you click on. And again, so once you sign up for this account, this is a free account. Basically, if you don't go past a certain storage number, storage level, then basically you have you can use this Amazon for free. But if you wanna go past that storage capacity, that means that you have to pay Amazon for those services. First thing you do is you click on the select button for your the software you want to install. For me, I'm going to install the Ubuntu 12.04, and then also if you pay close attention, you have an option of selecting either a 64-bit or a 32-bit. I'm going with a 64-bit. Basically, these are the setup screens. What you can see is you have basically, it's gonna tell you. So for this instance, you're only allowed to have a micro instance. So Amazon has tiered instances. They have small, they have micro, they have other capacities. So but they only allow you to use micro for when you're using the free tier eligible account. So basically, it's already been selected for you. So you just go ahead and click the next, configure instance details, and then on this page, same thing. You don't have to put anything in. You don't have to change any of the defaults. Basically, these are pretty much set up for you, and they guarantee that your instance is gonna run, when you get to the end. And then the next one is you click next. It's gonna be add storage. I would advise you to actually add a storage bigger than 8 gigabytes. Basically, from my personal experience, it's best to have something around 20 gigabytes of storage space. 8 is not enough, because after you've installed a lot of the Ubuntu or a lot of the Linux utilities, basically you're gonna find yourself like pretty much up against the wall. Like you would literally have no space left for any of the actual installations that you want to have on your instance. And then after you're done, you don't have to change the volume type. That's fine. Click next. And actually, you can label your instance. You can give it a name, any name that you want. I'm going to name mine instance example sample instance. After you're done, You go next to security group, create a security group. This page is very important because this is how you be able to connect from whatever tool you have on your desktop to the instance that you're creating now. So I would advise you to basically make sure that you know exactly how you be connecting. For me personally, what I do is I go to all traffic. So basically, this basically guarantees that no matter what tools that you're using, you will not run into any kind of trouble if you want to connect, and that there's some sort of potential miscommunication between the different devices. So I would advise you to go to all traffic, and also leave it at anywhere. So basically, that guarantees that you'll be able to access that instance. I used to have SSH before, and that was for while I was connecting with my PuTTY to PuTTY, and I kept having this problem where basically I was not able to connect, and the public key was being denied. So from spending time doing research, and also just my personal understanding of what's going on, I would definitely advise you to just click on all traffic so that you can easily log into access your instance backend to whatever tool that you're using. If it's PuTTY or if it's WinSCP, it's up to you. After you're done, you click on review and launch. It's gonna say, okay, improve your instance security. It's open to the world. Basically, don't pay any attention to this. This is fine. Again, it's because it's all open. Means that basically you won't have any difficulty in terms of logging into your instance through whatever tools or the tools that you have on installed on the desktop. The next thing you do is you launch the instance. You have the option of creating a new pair, or to proceed without a pair, or to use an existing key pair. What key pairs are is, so think of it this way. So with Amazon, with an instance, what you have to do is you have to have a private key pair for actually, you know what? Let me just read out to you. A key pair consists of a public key that AWS stores and a private key that you store. Basically, with Amazon, when you create a key pair, first of all, what's going to happen is that they will give you that's going to allow for you to eventually download that key pair and create your own private key pair. I'll have the video on how to create a key pair later on, but basically I'm just going to go ahead today and just go with an existing key pair, and then you definitely make sure you acknowledge that basically you click on the acknowledgement box, and then next thing you do is you click the button launch instance, and then there you go. So you've launched your instance. So it's being launched. What you do is you go to the console home, click on that, and then you go back to the ec2 button again, and then you go, and then if you look at you go to running instances. I currently have two, but is it the one that I just created is actually starting up. So let me click on this one, and then you see that you have the third one is pending. It's actually initializing. So just give it some time, and Amazon is gonna have that all set up for you. And if it takes too long, what you can also do is you can actually refresh the page, and basically that's gonna basically allow for you to see just how far ahead the installation has gotten. Again, because like I have a pretty bad connection here, so that's why mine showed pending for so long. But again, as you see, the instance is already running, so you have your instance up and running, so you're fine. And pretty much this is the first video, and basically what the reason why I had to show you guys this one is because you have to have an instance to basically where you can install your Oracle software. And Amazon is basically, they allow for you to have a free an environment that's free to use. So that's the reason why I decided to, first of all, to have you guys create your own Amazon instance, so that you can, get a proper starting point. Thanks a lot, guys. This is the first video again. Join me for other videos. And I'll see you guys next time.